Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to see about the resource group into the Azure cloud. We have seen about the multiple services of like how to create virtual machines, how to create uh, app services. So we have seen one common thing like they generally ask about the resource group, what the resource groups we have to select, or so how you can create resource group, why we need a resource group. So let me explain you step by step approach. Okay, so first of all, what is the requirement of the resource group? Okay, why resource group? So what generally happen when we create, when we work so in the real time, when we generally works on the different projects, like in the real based scenario, we have different projects, something about we have project about for the app development, we have something project about the web development, we have something project about the cloud. So to differentiate everything into a particular things like app development, the team will works on this particular part, so no other resources can get collide with that particular this particular web services or part, no services client collide with the cloud part. So we are just creating a whole group in that particular resource, only that app service in that app development, the things every should thing should be well defined and well settled in that particular part. So like in this going to the resource group, let me show you quick demo how the service look like, and we'll discuss more on this particular part. So this is my Azure portal, and you have to just search for the resource group. This is a resource group generally look like. You have to just click, and yeah, I have already created resource group. So how to create the resource group? There are certain sample steps to create the resource group. So first of all, you have to go to the create. Okay, then it will load something like this. So you have to we have something different accounts. So we have resource group, like say like suppose create for the productions part. So we are just creating a resource group for the productions part. Okay, so just go to next tag, and if you want to give the tag, if you want to just click quick, and just we are just creating this particular part. This is the production resource group. Next, let's create one more resource group, and let me quickly show you the differentiate between this particular part. So we are just creating for the testing part. Okay, same for the next, same for the create, and we are going with the creating part. So what we have done, we have created the two resource group right now. Okay, what all those resource group contains generally, this is a general two resource group which we have created, which we one is the productions part, one is the testing part. So when when we will be creating any of the virtual machines, and that thing we want the it should be in the productions part. So we will be at the time of creating that particular virtual machine, we will be selecting the production like this. The instances are into the for the productions part, and if we are using for general testing things, or we are just using for some deployment for that some testing part. So at that particular time, we are just differentiating in this two between of them. How we can differentiate? Let me quickly show you this particular part at the time of creating virtual machines. So let's quickly launch virtual machines, and I will show you how you can differentiate in that particular both of the things. So now the things are getting, our dashboard is getting open. So let's wait for just quick few seconds. Yeah, so now we are going to create one virtual machines here as a sample, and I will be showing you how you can create and how you can differentiate into this particular different resource group part. Until let me also quickly open app services. In this app services, we also have the resource group. So when we are creating our virtual machines, so they are just asking the resource group, in which resource group we have to create. So right now we have created two resource group, one is productions and another is testing. Okay, so right now if I was just want to create for the productions part, okay, so it will come with the productions name. Okay, and if I want to create new, you can create new from here also. If I want to create the virtual machines into the testing part, so we can create the virtual machine into the testing part. So this resource group generally helps you into the distributing your things managing to the central part and moving to forward into the certain things you can differentiate and you can work on the particular resource. This is not only with the virtual machines, this is the same with the when you are creating app services. When we are using different Azure services, you will be getting this particular things, this particular resource group now. So let me quickly show you one more example in this, how you can get into the app services. So we have created on to the creating one new app services. So let me quickly show you. Here also we are, if we create one app and if we want this particular things should be go into this particular resource group, so here we can also select into this particular part. If we want the resource group, this our whole resource should be created in testing machine, so it will go into the testing. And if we want into production, so this thing will create into the productions part. So like this we have multiple services of AWS Azure cloud. In the Azure we have where we can give the resource group and we can create our instances, where we can create our virtual machines, where we can create our web apps also. So let me also quickly show you one to two more things. Like in this you can see more about the this resource group. In this resource group, how many things are running, how many things are been working. So let me show you. And this I already have some of the resources my working. So you can see in this overview part, in this overview what all those things are been running. We have been running with this, we have been running with virtual machine, we have been running with SSH key. Like this it shows the overall overview in the resource group of my name chain, like what all those things has belong. From here also you can directly manage out the things. And same here we have the activity logs, what all those things are being configured. We don't want the time span for the last 6 hours, we want for the last month, or you can quickly change to the last 2 weeks. So let's apply. And as such we don't have any activity logs. Then we have IAM. Here we have more settings which you can explore and which you can go through according to it. So our main purpose of this was to understanding the resource group into the Azure cloud. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you are understand and good with the concept. If you have any doubt or any query, you can ask me in the comment section. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.